In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your free Wix website URL. If you're looking to give your site a fresh new identity, or just want to make the URL more memorable, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. We'll keep it simple and easy, so even if you're not a tech expert, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and head over to wix.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to the My Sites section. This is where you can find a list of all your existing Wix sites. Whether you have one site or many, this is your central dashboard for managing them all. Next up, you'll need to select the site where you want to change the URL. Take a moment to locate it in your list of sites. Once you've found the right one, you'll see an option to Select and Edit Site. Give that a click. This will bring you to the dashboard for that specific website, where you can make all your necessary edits and adjustments. Now that you're within your site dashboard, look for an option labeled Site Actions. It's located near the top of your screen. Clicking this will present you with several choices regarding what you can do with your site. Among those options is Rename Site. Select it because this is what will allow us to change the URL. What you'll see next is a field where you can type in your new desired name. Take your time here. Think about a name that truly represents the essence of your site while being catchy and easy for your audience to remember. Keep in mind that whatever name you choose will become part of your website's new URL. Once you're satisfied with your new site name, go ahead and type it into the field provided. This small change will redefine the way users access your site, so double-check for any typos and ensure that the new name aligns with the brand or message you want to convey. Finally, the last step in the process is to click on Save. Once you do this, your website's URL will be updated according to the new name you entered. You'll want to test the new URL to make sure everything is working as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Wix website URL. By following these simple steps, you can manage your site's identity with ease. If at any point you run into issues, remember that Wix offers a help center with plenty of resources to guide you through troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.